Hi, my name is Dr. Lori Cayley. You're going to want to watch this video if you have been diagnosed with a thyroid condition, if you are on thyroid medication and it doesn't seem to be taking away your symptoms, if you have tried different diets and they have not completely resolved your symptoms. I am a certified functional medicine practitioner and I work with women who have thyroid conditions. I help them reverse their conditions through figuring out what is going on using functional medicine testing and then recommending dietary, lifestyle, and environmental changes to help them restore their health. Today I'm going to talk about leaky gut, what it is and what you can do about it. Research is showing that most people who have an autoimmune condition have leaky gut. So if you have hypothyroidism, you most likely have Hashimoto's, which is an autoimmune condition that attacks your thyroid gland. It's really important to fix your gut if you want to reverse your thyroid condition. So let's talk about what leaky gut is first. Leaky gut will happen when you have cells in your gut, first of all, that are lined up close to each other. And then you have junctions in between the cells. And the cells are very close together. They will allow things to get through, like nutrients that we need to absorb. However, when you start to eat things that irritate the gut, and gluten is an example, it will start to create small holes in the gut and create intestinal permeability because those tight junctions aren't as tight as they used to be. Normally, your gut can repair itself after you eat something that may aggravate it. However, if you're eating those foods too often, it's not able to keep repairing itself. It can't keep up the repair with the amount of food that you are intaking that is irritating the gut. So the tight junctions will start to grow apart, and that will allow other things that shouldn't be leaking through, such as proteins and bacteria and toxins. They'll go out into the bloodstream. And then your immune system will launch an attack because it will see that there are foreign invaders going through your body that shouldn't be there. So when that happens, then you'll start to get high inflammation in the body. And we all know we do not want high inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is not good. So then, well, leaky gut, let me just explain this. First, leaky gut is associated with a number of issues such as food allergies, celiac disease, autoimmune diseases, such as inflammatory bowel disease, Hashimoto's, asthma, type 1 diabetes, acne, and eczema. You'll also experience joint pain and neurological problems. Neurological problems and MS can be common with leaky gut. So some of our gut permeabilities also have genetic factors associated with them, and lifestyle habits can contribute as well. So to reverse leaky gut and to fix your gut, you want to avoid certain things, and those would be foods that you know that you're allergic to, foods with added sugar, foods that contain MSG, foods that have sugar alcohols such as sorbitol, gluten-containing grains such as wheat and rye, high lecithin foods such as grains and legumes, nightshades like eggplants, peppers, and tomatoes, and dairy that contains casein and lactose, and excessive alcohol. You want to eat more probiotics, which are rich fermented foods such as sauerkraut and kimchi. Prebiotic, fiber-rich foods that help our gut microbes produce butyrate, such as leafy greens, veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds. And if you want to know more about prebiotics, I have a blog post on my website, so just go there and you can read more about getting more probiotics in your diet. Glutamine-rich foods such as bone broth and meats are important. Zinc-rich foods, which would be shellfish, organ meats, and pumpkin seeds. Quercetin-rich foods such as citrus, apples, curcumin-rich foods and turmeric-rich foods, and indole-rich foods such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and mustard greens. And there are some other things that you can do as well, such as eat slowly and chew better to break down the food. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Go to the bathroom when you need to and don't hold it. Get more high quality sleep and have better stress management. All of those things will help to reverse leaky gut. If you have any questions about anything that I have talked about in this video or anything that has to do with thyroid issues, you can always just comment below this video or reach out to me through my website. My website is www.drloricayley.com. Thank you for watching.